If you have spent any time researching online business tools, you have probably come across ClickFunnels. For years, it has been one of the most popular funnel building platforms for entrepreneurs, marketers, coaches, and online businesses. But with more competitors entering the market and website builders becoming more advanced, many people are asking the same question: is ClickFunnels still worth the price? In this video, we will take honest look at ClickFunnels, its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it still deserves a place in your business toolkit. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you find the best tools to grow online. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get special offers on ClickFunnels. By using the description link, any available discount or promotion will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. ClickFunnels was created with one main goal: helping businesses build sales funnels that convert visitors into leads or customers. Instead of simply creating websites, the platform focuses on guiding visitors through a step-by-step buying journey. One of the biggest strengths of ClickFunnels is its funnel builder. User can create landing pages, opt-in pages, sales pages, order forms, upsell pages, webinar funnels, and complete customer journeys without needing coding skills. This makes it attractive for entrepreneurs who want to launch marketing campaigns quickly. Another advantage is the large collection of templates. Rather than starting from a blank page, users can choose from proven funnel designs and customize them for their own products or services. This can save a significant amount of time, especially for the beginners. ClickFunnels also includes tools for email marketing, lead capture, customer management, membership sites, and basic automation. The goal is to provide an all-in-one platform that reduces the need for multiple separate tools. For course creators, coaches, consultants, and digital product sellers, ClickFunnels offers several useful features. You can create lead magnets, sales courses, build membership areas, and automate parts of the customer journey from a single dashboard. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Compared to some older versions of the platform, the current experience is much more modern and user-friendly. However, because ClickFunnels includes many features, beginners may still need some time to learn how everything works. The platform is powerful, but there is definitely a learning curve. One area where ClickFunnels continues to perform well is speed of implementation. Many businesses can launch a funnel much faster than if they were building everything manually using multiple software tools. Now let's discuss the biggest concern for many users: pricing. ClickFunnels is not the cheapest solution on the market. There are landing page builders and funnel tools too that cost less. This is why many people question whether the platform is worth the investment. The answer depends largely on your business model. If you only need a simple website or a few landing pages, ClickFunnels may feel expensive compared to alternatives like card, lead pages, or other website builders. However, if you are actively generating leads, selling products, running webinars, building sales funnels, and managing customer journeys, the value becomes easier to justify because you are replacing multiple tools with a single platform. Another thing to consider is your experience level. Beginners may not immediately use all of the features they are paying for. Businesses with established marketing systems, they often get much more value from the platform because they can fully utilize its funnel building and automation capabilities. So, is ClickFunnels still worth the price? For entrepreneurs, coaches, course creators, consultants, affiliate marketers, and businesses that rely heavily on sales funnels, the answer is often yes. The platform remains one of the most complete funnel building solution available. But if your needs are simple and you are only looking for the basic website or landing page builder, there may be more affordable alternatives that make better financial sense. At the end of the day, ClickFunnels is not really paying for pages. You are paying for a system designed to help move visitors through a sales process and increase the conversions. That brings us to the end of this review. Hopefully this video helped you decide whether ClickFunnels is the right investment for your business. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the description link for any available ClickFunnels offers. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.